But it's life I cannot change. And it is, deep off in the main. Eminem, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it breathe. Been lost, been lanes, busting bills, but still ain't nothing changed. You in the mob, soon as you out the chain. She caught the way.
Morning guys, I'm starting off my outfit of the day today. Someone had asked me to do a flannel t-shirt. Not someone, one of my subscribers asked me to do a flannel t-shirt, a white top and jeans. And it's so ironic because last week I was gonna wear this outfit first because I had the idea of doing a recreation of Pinterest outfit and I actually changed it. So when the person asked me to do this feature, I was happy about it. So I'm wearing this white top that I got from Shein. I'm wearing this red flannel shirt. It's very old. I got it from a friend years ago. It's from Wet Seal. And I'm wearing another jeans that was once my son's. It's Zara. And of course I'm wearing my sneakers to match with it. So that's basically it. Do I look a twirl? Guys, me just do like a minute of talking a while ago and realized I'm not record. Good morning guys. I've officially started the vlog right now. I'm on my way to my doctor's appointment. I'm not late but I'm not early. So it's Friday guys. Beginning of the weekend. So, we check in with them later. Morning, we check in with them later. Yeah, so I do my outfit of the day. I wear my flannel shirt, Miss Katie Hardy, and I'm wearing my white. It's not really a t-shirt, but a white t-shirt and my jeans. So, we check in later. I gotta go stop. Feel in some? Yeah. We need a rain. Place too hot. I'll make my snap first, yeah. My nice friend when I come at lunch. So when I call you my brother, I mean it. What's the color blood? I'm realist. I'm not leaving. I'm home. Happy Saturday, guys. From a vlog yesterday. From a vlog yesterday morning when time me to go at my appointments. I do drinks. I'm gonna come back on the vlog any at all. I went lunch with one of my friends, but it would have been good for footage, but to be honest, good day. To be honest, to be honest guys, sometimes I don't know. And all of my friends comfortable with camera. Not even said comfortable, but it was just a one-on-one. We did have good conversation and everything, and no camera was needed. So exact. But mommy, I held my head straight. Me young and fresh, the woman I like you. I'm young and I'm fresh.
Should I look at caretaker?
Maybe.
I take care of old people.
So guys, I'm wearing a dress. I wear a jeans dress. You don't get a jeans dress here, you know? Not even take no picture. I get a jeans dress here, you know. Let me get a jeans dress here, you know, again. Yeah, it's a kind of Salvation Army store, though. One Salvation Army store. I have that dress here for years. Show them it. Just hold it so. With it. I'll show them. Go down with your hand. Down. Yeah. Come up back. Yeah. Yeah. It kind of shaped like them little old lady dress, don't it? But I like it. It's cute to me. So, yeah. What you call them?
I didn't say the name what day.
It have a little, I don't know. It have a weird look to it that most people wouldn't go for, but me like it. So yeah. Should I make Jay take me a picture, but I never need to take no picture. Whatever. Guys, I'm reaching a sample due to our piece of rain come down. I have to take my foot them in a scandal bag of town. I'm sorry I couldn't take out my phone and show you. I have to take my foot them in a scandal. You call Britannia and tell her so we reach?
I have a call. But I like to pinpoint. A pinpoint can one shot from
Ooh.
like Jay, like it's a car.
Maybe we're not near to it.
No, that's in answer me I talk to him, but you know like I look like.
I call her tire.
Yeah, I could not ring it out.
You buy cat food? I didn't know buy cat food already.
Yeah, that's working.
Tell her say we in a sample.
Oh, we're not sample.
If you say something to you a while ago, and by the time I go pick up the trolley and come back around, something forget. I buy the cat something. That's nice. That's nice. I don't like the cat again, mom. I eat her. Maybe when she have baby, I adapt one of them.
Yes, I don't like her, but we have to be her.
Alright guys, so for this section of the video, I'm just going to be doing a voiceover and I'm going to speed it up. I just make a dip, or what people call guacamole. Up here time in Jamaica, other parts of the world call it avocado. So buy a dip in a supermarket for how much money right now. I can buy a pair for 150, 200, 300 the most, and I can get the most out of it. Yeah, it is recommended to use soft pear. I normally like to eat my pear firm. I don't like soft pear. Normally when my pear soft, I would normally throw it away. But when your pear is soft, you know, if you throw it away, if you don't like soft pear, find use for it. And pear is very healthy if you didn't know. So I'm just basically, this is something that I can do myself, but my mother didn't make for the entire house, so I'm just throwing my one in the mix. Yeah, so something easy to make, and I'm just gonna have this with chips because it's Saturday night and I go watch a movie. So yeah, it's recommended to get a softer pear because when the pear is too firm, it's a little harder to mash. So yeah. Alright, so after you have mashed the pear to its softest state, as soft as you can go ahead now and start, spice it up or season it up. If I was making this for myself, I would just add onions, tomato, pepper. But if my mother make it, I go spice up and I go season up. I think she had salt, black pepper, seasoning salt, jerk, thyme, scallion, and if it was up to she alone, she had pimento. This is something that I can make myself as a steak, but she was making for the entire house, so you know, why not? Yeah, you can have this with your chips, your crackers. You can even have this with maybe broccoli or vegetable or a bit of lettuce. Your choice. Tacos, as I say, this is what them sell in the supermarket in the bottle, what them call the dip, the guac dip, and a pure time and pure cheaper. So you know, I'm gonna go that route here. Hey guys, so that's it. And sorry about the presentation. You know, I should have really clean up around my plate, but I'm just too anxious to go eat my chips here and watch my movie. But yeah, that's it. I'm just buy a little small pack them because I never need. I took up the big pack, and my mother assured me that I didn't need so much chips. So yeah, I just take 2 small packs, and that is it. Hi guys, it's Sunday. I basically come right at my gate for close my vlog because inside of the house dark. It kind of set up like it go rain. What? It's set up well. I feel raindrops already, so it's definitely gonna rain. So I just come take up some clothes I have on the line a while ago. I'm gonna sit down and probably watch a episode of Grey's Anatomy, and then after that I'm going to edit this vlog so I can have it up for tomorrow at 6. So yes guys, I didn't really do much this week, and to be honest, I didn't really do much. I go to town yesterday and there was a whole lot of rain, and then I go to supermarket after. I'm showing more than one time myself in a supermarket, so I didn't really vlog much in there either, and that's basically it. So thanks for watching. See you guys in my next one.